Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are French Cloud Consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about the add-ins. Let me open Microsoft Excel for you. Alright, so add-ins can be found in Insert, Add-ins after the illustration. We've already discussed the illustrations in the previous lecture. Now let me go on with the add-ins. Here are the options: Get Add-ins, My Add-ins, and these are two add-ins that are already added. If you click this option, Get Add-ins, a window will open. It will show you My Add-ins which you have downloaded. I have not downloaded any add-ins right now because I'm gonna show you how it's done. The admin managed, no add-ins are currently available. I'm gonna show you where they are in the store. For example, if we download any add-in like we download this symbols and character add-in, click add and continue. Now as you've seen that this add-in has been added in the menu bar. Before there was no add-in option, now there is an add-in option and the symbols and characters add-in is shown here. Click any symbol, click this symbol, and you can place it anywhere in the Excel. You see, the symbol has been placed. Now similarly, the language, if you select any language, for example, I would select, let us select a very different language. Let us, alright, let's select German. So German alphabets are shown here. You can click them and they will be available anywhere. Normally if you press buttons on the keyboard, it will show us other alphabets. This is about this add-in. We are not here to discuss how this add-in works. Now this is the lecture about to show you that what are the add-ins in Microsoft Excel. So if you go back to insert bar, you can get any add-in do you want. These are the built-in add-ins given by Microsoft Excel. Alright, I'm going to go to the next option, which is My Add-in. If you click it, you will see My Add-ins, which is already shown in before option, has been added in My Add-ins option. Now, there is another thing to it. You can customize your add-ins, you can add your add-ins to your own need. If you click File, you'll see there's an option here, Options, and you click here Add-ins. You see, here are the add-ins that are already added to our Microsoft Excel files. For example, I need solver add-in for regression analysis or forecasting. It's already been added, but if you want to add it, just click here, Go, and just tick whichever add-in you need. I've already added the add-ins before, so I don't need to take them. You can also customize or make your own add-ins, but that allows you to have macro analysis technique, which is not needed right now for basic Excel. If you want to learn them, just let us know. We will show you how it's done. Alright, if you click that data option, data analysis and solver add-ins, as I've discussed with you, are already here. If some add-ins are not shown, just right click anywhere on this ribbon, click customize this ribbon, and you see there are many options which are not ticked. Just tick them and it will show on your menu bar. You see, developers, it wasn't shown before, and draw. I will have many options. So this is more or less what add-ins are. If you like this lecture, kindly like, subscribe, or share our page. Thank you so much.